I know my peoples, they never go against the government because we are on their behalf. We will try to help them to put them to the right place. Okay, maybe court orders defense is there, but hopefully they are all civilized, they are all people understand things. I request them personally from my side to cooperate with the government. We will try to put them in the right place. Yes, maybe it's not possible to give them a good place up to the mark like how they expected. But especially me as a minister, I will work in such a manner, so slowly I will try to put them in the right place. We have to wait till the deadline, so after that, so even now, so most of them are relaxed, they always say yes sir. So and if maybe next week, so I will inspect the place personally by myself to make sure to get a good place, to get a good light and a good toilet, all this. We will try to make things into place. Because you see, anything you start at the initial stage, pain is always there. And after that, it will be okay. It will fall into place. Yes, we are yet to notify. Yes, correct. Point number one, as per the policy, no one can park randomly on the road. And point number two, maybe there is some space we are yet to identify where they can park, so we'll charge them accordingly. And those who park blindly, there will be a law.
So this will start from East Kashmir.
It's already start. It's on process. It's already start. Day before yesterday, I had a meeting with my CEO. So I think in a few months we will get another 400-500 parkings ready.
Total, how many parking lots?
Number.
If
complete all, more than thousands. So 300-400 we are going to hand over very shortly. I just had a meeting day before yesterday with my CEO.
300-400 means.
Because you see, for example, like this, just near additional secretariat and not from so many parking are there. So I'm yet to know which is ready.
300-400 vehicles.
Minimum. And for example, when this MTC building complete or so, another numbers of parking is coming.